Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have my Adorable Elements Beads of the Month Club to share with you all today that I have received for April 2026. Adorable Elements has 6 different clubs that you can choose from. They have the Miyuki 11 Seed Beads of the Month, which is the one that I have this time. And then they have the Miyuki 11 Delica Beads of the Month, the Fire Polish Beads, the Gemstone Beads, the 2-hole beads, and the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month clubs. And that way you can pick whichever club suits the type of bead you like to do or the kind of beads you prefer working with. Then they also have the Rotating Beads of the Month club, which is the one that I get. And in that club they rotate you through each club 1 month at a time. They also have 2 different sizes in their club. They have the single club and the double club. They're just the same, except I get the double club, and it's just the same as the single club. You just get twice as many beads as you do in the single club. And then they have their Findings and Crystals companion packs. These are both add-ons that you can get in addition to your club subscription for an additional cost, but there wouldn't be any additional cost to ship because it would be shipped with your club subscription. But if you're an international customer, you'd need to contact their customer service to find out what the shipping would be to your particular country. The crystals in the Crystals companion pack, sometimes they're Swarovski, and it looks like all mine are this time. But if they're not Swarovski, they're extremely high quality Austrian crystals. And then the Findings in the Findings companion pack are really beautiful, high quality, and oftentimes very unique findings. And they're in a different finish each month, so it's a great way to build up your stash of high quality findings. Looks like mine are bright silver this time. You'll also get a code on the bottom left of your invoice to enter into your web browser to get access to their free patterns page. It's 3 free patterns each month, and it's in PDF form, so you can download it to your computer and save it, or of course you can print it out if you'd rather do that. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa10, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to their website where you can sign up for any of the clubs that you might be interested in. The code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you subscribe to. And if you decide to subscribe to the Rotating Beads of the Month club, the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. So I'm going to open my crystals first, these beautiful Swarovski crystals. And I'm going to put them in some little dishes, and then I'll be back. Okay, I've got my crystals out now, and this first one is a 16, like I said, these are all Swarovski this time. It's a 16 by 27 millimeter jet galactic pendant. This is just really pretty. Look, that's so pretty. That's where the hole is there. It's thick. It's really, really pretty. And then next are 12 6 millimeter bicones. The color is White Opal Ice. Those are so pretty. Oh, they're so pretty. It's beautiful. And then last in my crystals companion pack are 24 5 millimeter black diamond rounds. The color is black diamond. Those are really pretty. It's beautiful. So that's all of the crystals in my crystals companion pack. Now I'm going to open my findings. Those are going to be really beautiful. They always are. So hold on, I'll get these all sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my findings sorted out now, and first I have a hook and eye clasp with closed jump rings. So it's got a little jump ring on both ends there, and they're closed jump rings. It's a little bitty hook and eye clasp. It's really pretty. And then next I have a rope design toggle clasp. It's really pretty. It's a good size for a toggle clasp. And then next I have a 5-loop curved bar. So you could use this as a focal. You could hang some beads off of the loops there and make it into a focal for a necklace. And then next I have 2 4-loop fancy drops. They're really pretty. I think that would be the back because this side is a little bit more curved out. Make some pretty earrings or use them for focals. It's really, really pretty. And then next it says this is a charm holder with heart design. That's really cool. I've never seen anything like that. That's the back. It's really pretty. And then next are 2, it says shaped link charms. So there are these little links. They're really pretty. That's what the back looks like. Next is a 5-loop adjustable ring. So I guess you could do some beading on these loops here and then the ring would be adjustable. It won't go on my finger, but it would go on a regular size finger and you know, adjust to, if you needed it to be a little bigger. Oops. It's really neat. And then next is 1.5 feet of 3mm flat figure 8 chain. That's just really, really pretty chain. That's so pretty. Really, really pretty. And then last in my findings companion pack are 20 gauge 6x4mm oval jump rings. Of course, oval jump rings are more secure than the round ones because they have the slit on the side there. That's really neat. Now I'm going to open my beads, my 11OC beads. It says Silver Garden. They are just beautiful. So hold on, I'll get these sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my beads sorted out now. And first, and I get the double club. So if you get the single club, you would just get probably get about this amount. This one is 20 grams. So if you got the single club, you'd probably get 10 grams. And I was only able to fit about half of it in my little dish here. The color of this one is Duracoat Dyed Deep Rose. It's just really, really pretty. Duracoat Dyed Deep Rose. Actually, this one is called Duracoat Silverlined Dyed Deep Rose. This one is Duracoat Silverlined Dyed Orchid. And there's 20 grams of this one. It's really, really pretty. All these colors are so pretty. This one is Duracoat Silver Lined Dyed Rose Bronze. There's 20 grams of this one too. All three of these are 20 grams. Duracoat Silver Lined Dyed Rose Bronze. It's really, really pretty. This one is 20 grams of Duracoat Silver Lined Dyed Deep Purple. Duracoat Silver Lined Dyed Deep Purple. It's really pretty. There are 25 grams of each of the rest of these. This one is Silver Lined Dark Cornflower Blue. Silver Lined Dark Cornflower Blue. It's really pretty. This one is Silver Lined Emerald. It's a really gorgeous color of green. This one is Silver Lined Light Green. Another beautiful color of green. And this one is Silver Lined Chartreuse. It's a really, really pretty color. All these are such pretty colors. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in my April 2026 Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club. My Miyuki 11 seed beads and my Findings and Crystals companion packs. Just really, really beautiful beads. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to any of their clubs and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you decide to sign up for. And if you sign up for the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.